Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is antibodies. So students, let us first understand what is an antibody. Students, antibodies are also known as immunoglobulins, abbreviated as capital IG. Students, these are large Y-shaped glycoproteins which are produced by plasma B cells. Students, plasma B cells are a type of B lymphocyte which is a part of the body's immune system. Moving on students, these particular antibodies are formed in response to foreign antigens. Students, this is a very important point, and always remember it. Antibodies are performed in response to foreign antigens. Now, let us take a look at the various types, or I can say the various classes of antibodies, also called as immunoglobulins. Let us take a look. We have the various classes called as IgA, that is immunoglobulin A. Similarly, we have IgD. Next, we have IgE, followed by IgG. And finally, students, we have IgM. So, always remember, these are the 5 classes of immunoglobulins: IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG, and IgM. Next, we have IgG, that is immunoglobulin G. Students, this makes up the largest chunk of the antibodies, that is 75 to 80% of the total serum antibody. It provides long-term resistance to diseases. It crosses the placenta and provides passive immunity to the fetus.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.